Hello everyone, I am Priya Gulati. Welcome to my channel Priya Gulati Maths. If you like my today's video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Today I am going to take chapter Coordinate Geometry exercise 7.1 question number 7. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. Now in this question you have to first of all understand what is the general form of the coordinate which is lying on the x-axis. So consider this Cartesian plane, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Any point which is lying on the x-axis will have its y coordinate 0 and it will be of the form x comma 0. X can be any constant number. Similarly, if the question is regarding the point lying on the y-axis, then you should know that any point lying on the y-axis will be of the form 0 comma y. Y is any constant number. So it means that if the point is lying on the x-axis, its y coordinate will be 0, and if the point is lying on the y-axis, its x coordinate will be 0. So in this particular question, because the point is lying on the x-axis, what will be the general coordinate of this point P? X comma 0. So I will start my question like this. I will name this point as point P. So I write, let the point on x-axis be equal to point P coordinates x comma 0. So let us draw the figure of this question. This is point P having coordinate x comma 0, and these two points 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9, I name them as point A and point B. Now the question is saying this point P is equidistant from these 2 points A and B. So what does this mean? What is meant by equidistance? It means that distance PA is equal to distance PB. So first step I write down distance PA equals to distance PB, right? Now these two distances, if I square both sides, these square, after squaring also the two sides will be equal. So I square PA whole square equals to PB whole square. Now we will make use of distance formula in order to find the distance PA and distance PB. Now look at this distance PA. Distance formula is like this. I will be using this formula for finding the distance PA. Square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So if you look at this point P, x comma 0, this will be representing x1 comma y1, and 2 comma minus 1 is x2 comma y2. So make use of this distance formula. What will be your x1 minus x2 whole square? It will be x minus 2 whole square. So this is square root. So I write down x minus 2 whole square. Next is plus y1 minus y2 whole square. That will be like this, 0 minus minus 5 whole square. So this is 0 minus bracket में minus 5 whole square. This was your distance formula for PA, and this power 2 I write down like this. Now similarly come to the right side for distance PB. PB is this distance. For PB again I will using this formula, square root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now look at this P and B point. For this PB distance, P x comma 0, this is your x1 comma y1. Point B, this is x2 comma y2. So for PB distance, use this formula. What will be x1 minus x2 whole square? It will be x minus minus 2 whole square. So x minus minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square will be 0 minus 9 whole square. So 0 minus 9 whole square, and ये जो ऊपर वाला power 2 है, this will I will be writing it this way. So you get this type of expression. So what you notice on both the sides, this is square root inside this big bracket, box bracket, and इसकी power है 2. Similarly on the right side, this is completely inside the square root sign, inside the big bracket, and the power is 2. And whenever you have the square root with power 2, square root with power 2, it means you can remove the square root sign in the next step. Like you can understand it this way. So if I have root 7 ka whole square, this means root 7 into root 7 will give you 7. So similarly in this case also, if I, in the next step, this square, if I remove this square, so what will happen? The square root will also get removed. Means this number is getting multiplied with itself. So what will be your next step? It will be like this. इसी को आप देख लीजिए, स्क्वायर रूट का रिमूव कर दीजिए. वॉट एवर यू हैव इनसाइड द स्क्वायर रूट साइन, दिस यू विल बी लेफ्ट विथ दिस एक्सप्रेशन x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus minus 5 whole square. Similarly on the right side also, x minus minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. Now next is you will apply the formula a minus b whole square for opening the bracket. So you will get x square plus 2 square means 4, minus 2 into x into 2 will give you minus 4x. Now come to this term, this will be minus into minus will give you plus, so 5 square will give you plus 25. Come to the right side, this will become x plus 2 whole square, and this is minus 9 whole square will give you 81. Now this left side is as it is. Come to the right side, लेफ्ट साइड में हमने बस इसको ऐड कर दिया, 4 + 25 को will give you 29, and minus 4x is as it is, x square is as it is. Come to the right side, a plus b whole square, use this formula to open this bracket. So this will give you x square plus 2 square means 4, plus 2 into x into 2 will give you 4x, and this is plus 81. Now I can cancel, x square is on the left side also and it is on the right side also, so I can cancel these two. So what you will remain with, 29 minus 4x equals to, this is 4x, add these two, you will get plus 85. Now next step में this 85 I bring on the left side, और जो x वाला term है I take it on the right side. So constant terms on left side and the terms which are having x on the right side. So it will become like this, 29 minus 85 equals to 4x plus 4x. This gives you minus 56 and this gives you 8x. Next step, this 8 will come in the denominator, so x will come out to be minus 7. So this is the value of x equals to minus 7. Finally we have obtained. So what is this x? This x is representing the coordinate of point P. X is coming in this coordinate x comma 0. So finally how will I write the coordinate of point P? Instead of x, now I can write minus 7. So coordinate of P is minus 7 comma 0. So this was your question, that find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant. So that particular point is minus 7 comma 0. I hope it is clear to you. Bye bye.